Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to quickly demonstrate how you can use your Android smartphone as a webcam. Why? Because today we are all very busy in attending a lot of webinars and attending meetings through various applications like Zoom, WebEx, Google Hangouts, Google Meetups, whatnot. But our main issue is, the laptop's webcam resolution is really bad, and we might want to look our video really good to the other participants and the panelists. So I thought I will just quickly demonstrate how you can use your Android phone by connecting that to your laptop. Either through Wi-Fi or through USB, but I would recommend through USB because there is absolutely no lagging issues. So all you need is a spare Android phone and USB cable. Come on, let's jump in and understand how we can do it.
So the first step involved is downloading an IVCam webcam app, which is available in the Play Store. It has to be downloaded in your Android phone, which you're going to use it as a webcam. So the Play Store also has numerous other similar apps, but I found IVCam to be simpler and user-friendly. So go ahead and install the IVCam webcam app, and once you've opened it, you need to give the access to store the pictures and the videos which you're going to shoot through this app, and go to the settings and check the video quality. The size should be 1280 into 720, and go and disable the audio because you don't want the app to feed the audio back to your laptop, which will be a conflict. It will start looking for your laptop. One more critical step, what you need to do is go to the settings and tap about phone and tap build number 7 times. You will get a developer options access. This is very critical. I will tell you why. Get to settings. Now you will get the developer options here under the systems, and tap the developer options, and then scroll down. You will find option for USB debugging. Enable that option because we need to connect this Android phone through the laptop through the USB. So it is very critical for us to do this step. With this, our phone setting is completed. Now let's get into the laptop. So in your laptop, check for IVCam app. So look out for IVCam for Windows, E2E Soft. Click on that and download the IVCam for Windows. So let's wait for it to download. Save the file. And once it has completed downloading, let's run the application. Just follow the steps. Click next and OK. Now we have got the IVCam app in our laptop as well. So now guys, go ahead and open your favorite application. I'm opening Zoom application. As you can see here, the video quality is really bad. The video is from the laptop's webcam. Now let's stop this video and open E2E Soft, which is available in this application because we have connected our Android phone to laptop via USB. So once you click that, look at the result. Surprise, you get a fantastic quality video here. So it is going to leave a pleasant experience to the viewers on the other side. That's what I wanted to say today. Use your spare Android phone as a high quality webcam and start impressing people. Hope this video was useful to you. Share among your friends and show some love. See you until my next video, guys. Bye.